I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an EIN with the IRS. First, understand that an employer identification number is crucial for most businesses, acting as a unique identifier for tax purposes. It's essentially your business's social security number. You'll need one to hire employees, open a business bank account, and file various tax forms. The good news is the application is straightforward and completely free through the IRS. Before you begin, ensure you're eligible. You must have a valid taxpayer identification number, like a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number. Remember, the IRS assigns only one EIN per responsible party each day. Prepare by having your business's legal name, mailing address, and the type of entity, such as a sole proprietorship or corporation, readily available. This preparation makes the online application much smoother. The easiest way to apply is online through the IRS website. Navigate to the Apply for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) online section. You'll be guided through a series of questions about your business. Be precise with your answers, especially regarding your business structure and reason for applying. Once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything for accuracy before hitting Submit. You'll receive your EIN immediately. Congratulations! After submitting your online application, your new EIN will be issued instantly. Make sure to save and print the confirmation letter for your records. It's an important document. With your EIN, you can now open business bank accounts, apply for necessary licenses, and begin hiring employees. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other helpful deals. This EIN is a vital step for your business's future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.